Welcome to MERN Stack series. We are going to work on some MERN Stack projects. Means that on backend, I will use MongoDB Express.js, Node.js, and on front end, I'm going to use React. First, I will start with the backend setup and create some APIs for front end. Then I will work on, after that, I will work on React, okay, front end. First, to set up backend, first we need to initialize the Node.js, npm I, npm init, then copy this npm I. Now we need to install these three things: Express.js, Mongoose, and course. These are important to create the backend. Okay, just install it. Now inside package.json, come to the type and change common.js into module. Because of this, we can use the import method inside backend. Okay, and here are the course Express.js, Mongoose we just installed. Okay. Now inside the server.js, delete this and import the course Express.js and course only. Import course. App is equal Express. App is equal Express. It creates the backend server. Okay, so we are going to use this app with everywhere, with the routing, with the middlewares. We are going to use this everywhere. Okay, I will write here creates backend server. After this, come here, write app.use course. Course is a cross origin. This was sharing. App.use course allow requests from any domain. Okay, if I don't use this in backend, you will see the errors like this on front end. Okay, has been blocked by course policy because you are not using this line in your backend. Okay, so it is important to use this in your backend. Okay, I will write here allow request from any domain. After that, write app.use express.json. We are going to send some data from front end. So for that, we need to use this app because it converts raw JSON into usable JavaScript object. Okay, I will write here convert raw JSON into usable JavaScript object. Okay, so now we need to run this server. Okay, so for that, let's create a variable port 4000. Okay. So in the end, app.listen port console log server is running on HTTP. Localhost. Now let's run the server. I have node.mon installed. Okay, so I will use that node.mon. Write the file name server.js. Let's open this. So write some APIs. Let's create one single basic API. Get app.get request comma response. Okay, don't use response comma request. Use request comma response. Okay, that is the correct way. Press.send API is running on home page. Now we should see this text on the server. Okay, let's click on the server. Okay. server is running successfully. Okay. Now in next episode, we are going to see how to connect a backend with the MongoDB database and create APIs for front end.